Howdy food reviews here of barbecue pork Bao and chicken Gyoza. I don't know how you pronounce that. It's from FujiSan and it's from Sam's Club. My mom got these for me yesterday. So here's the dumplings. Get a lot of dumplings, and you get 4 of the barbecue pork Bao. Already ate one already. Probably gonna save a lot of this for later too, because there's a lot of food here. A lot of dumplings. I wasn't a big fan of dumplings before, but they're really good in my opinion. Save these for later, for dinner. That's a lot of food. It's pretty good though. Wish the dumplings were like maybe barbecue flavored like the Bao, but they're still pretty good. I give these a 7 out of 10.